Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Mast here. I'm going to go over week 2 of Algebra 2. This week we're going to learn about variables and expressions, and I'm just going to go over the agenda and kind of explain some of the assignments and things that you'll be doing. So the learning objective for this week is to be able to write mathematical expressions or verbal expressions and vice versa. The focus question is, how is an algebraic expression different from a numerical expression? So at the end of the week, you should be able to answer this question based off of the learning activities that we're doing this week. So Monday, don't forget we have a Zoom at 12:15, and of course the daily bell ringer. There's an Algebra 2 pretest that's due Tuesday, and what that is, it's not for a grade, it's just for me to better understand where you're at with the Algebra 2 content, what you know, what you don't know, and what I need to teach you the most, and what you kind of already know. We can move on past that. So it's just for me to gauge where you're at with the material. You'll get 10 points just for completing it, and that is due by Tuesday. So then on Tuesday, of course, you have the bell ringer. And there's a variables and expressions vocabulary activity and video to watch. So that is, you'll find everything in the modules tab. So I have it broken down as week 2, and I have them in order. So you'll find everything here, the week 2, the Algebra 2, and of course exam, the vocabulary video that you need to watch, and the activities, the activity assignment right here. And there's also teacher notes that I included to help you if you need those as well. So that's for Tuesday, and that's due Wednesday. And I'll open up the activities so you can see a little bit more. So it'll ask you to make a copy, and you'll make a copy. And make sure that you're in your efcts.us email account, not an external email account, or it won't, when you submit it, I won't be able to access it. So what you're going to do is the variables and expressions vocabulary. I provided an example, but what you're going to do is you're going to insert the term name in the middle, and there's text box there, so you'll just click and type. The textbook definition, which is on the notes and in the video. And then you're going to take that definition and you're going to put it in your own words, and then an example and a non-example. So I did an example here for you. So you can see the definition right here for rational numbers is very extensive and kind of confusing. So that's the textbook definition. And then when you put it in your own words, what you're doing is you are putting it in a way that helps you understand it. So really, a rational number is any real number that ends or repeats. It's that simple. And that helps me remember exactly what it is. And then, so an example, I put examples down here because you can see that these end or repeat. And then a non-example, so I see what it's not. So these don't end or repeat, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take the 5 definitions and terms that we have for this chapter, and you're going to do that same thing as the example up here. And I have the slides already made out for you, so you don't have to worry about doing anything with that. And then you'll just submit it to Canvas via the Google Drive. So that is that, and I've embedded the video here as well. So that's for Tuesday. Wednesday, of course, the bell ringer, Zoom at 12:15. And the variables and expressions matching vocabulary assignment. So that is, again, found in modules under week 2. And it is right here, and it's through Canvas. It's going to be graded through Canvas, and you'll, it's put in here as a quiz. It's not a quiz. It's just an activity to help you match the terms with the definitions. And then on Thursday, we are going to start notes on translating expressions using Edpuzzle. So again, you'll go to the modules, and under week 2, you'll see the Ed puzzle. You'll click on it. And I'm in the teacher's version of it now, but you'll access it through Canvas. So you'll just click on it and press start. And it's a video that you'll watch, and it'll have questions throughout the video that'll pause, and you'll have to answer them. And it is graded, and it goes straight to Canvas. So, and then there is a little assignment to go with that as well. And it's the same thing as the vocabulary matching. It's similar. It's I put it in as a quiz. Again, it's not a quiz. It just self-grades it and gives you feedback as well. And that's found right here. So all of your information or all of the assignments you can find under modules, and look for the tab that says week 2, and it should all be in order. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can always send me a remind message, send me an email, a Canvas message, asking if you need help or don't understand something. I can set up a private Zoom throughout the week, but we always have the open Zoom office hours from 12:15 to 1 on Fridays. That's always an option for you as well. Remember to always do the daily bell ringers to get your attendance points. And I think that's it for this week. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please reach out.